everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pensi and let's see what August 2020 has in store for itself for the sun sign Libra. For Librans, this month is all going to be about fresh beginnings and new beginnings. So if in case you've been in a stage of late that you've been thinking on doing a lot of things but then you've not really started them because you thought you should be taking your own time to think through and come to a proper conclusion, the month August 2020 is exactly the month where if you feel that okay, enough thinking has been done and I want to do something, can be in any area of your life, this is the particular month where you can start off doing things in your life. Then that can be in any area. That could be in the areas of work or finance or relationship or health. If an idea has been there in your mind which you've been thinking of and wondering whether should you start or not, when is it that you could at least give it a try, August 2020 is that month of a lot of joyous new beginnings. So the energy of this month is basically about a lot of enthusiasm for new beginnings. Moving on to the work section, for this month the Librans are particularly going to be very happy at their workspace. The reason being is the atmosphere of the workspace is going to be very peaceful and very nice, and not a lot of running around and hassles and shouting and the typical workspace sometimes when it is frenzied. That's not going to be for this month. This month the Librans will experience that the workspace is very calm and cool and peaceful. There could be like a few nice creative discussions among your colleagues or your teammates if in case that a little bit of a discrepancy or disagreement is there. You will actually find yourself going and kind of bringing peace between the disagreements happening. So overall it's going to be a very good month workplace wise. Also, there is a possibility that if in case you're single and if in case you're open for it, someone at work might ask you out. So there are chances that the person is trying to probably give you a hint, but you were probably not interested or not paying attention to it. So in case you're single and if in case you're interesting, someone at your workplace this month could actually give you a very strong hint that he or she likes you. And if in case you're interested, again the month of August 2020 is going to be a month where it is okay to just probably go over and explore and know the person more. Moving on to the finances. The finances are also absolutely beautiful. Nothing to worry about. Your investments and your plans and everything is in place. A little bit of hitch, if the cards really have to talk about, is a little bit of delay in payments, but that's that. Not that it's going to ruffle or disturb your financial schedule or it's going to make you tensed or something. So for the month of August 2020, finances also in the life of the Librans are going to be very smooth and very nice. In fact, you might be so pleased with your finances or one particular financial plan that there are chances that you might want to reinvest or renew that particular plan and save your finances and look after the finances in a very different light. So again, the financial month is very good. Moving on to relationships, there is a possibility that if you've already been in a relationship, either you or your partner would be very seriously thinking of taking the relationship now to the next level. So till now probably there's a chance that you've just been friends and you've been together with each other for quite some time, but the topic or the thought of taking this relationship to the next level has not come. So since the energy of the month of August 2020 for the Librans is all about beginnings and nice new joyous beginnings, this could be a month where you might think, okay, I've been quite for some time with this person, I know him very well, and I think the time has come enough to think about taking this relationship to the next level. If in case that you're very sure, if in case that you've thought about it, this month is a very good month for you to actually discuss of talking or talk to your partner about taking this relationship to the next level, and see to it that if the discussions are on and if your partner is equally interested and reciprocating, discuss your in general life plans, especially the financial plannings that are going to come in the in the way of this relationship, and how are you thinking of spending your life together, especially more when it comes to finances. Discuss each other's financial points of views when it comes in a relationship, and it will be a very good relationship. Since the month is all about good beginnings, the discussions and everything should go very smoothly. Also, it would also give you a time to think and reflect about whether the discussion is amicable, whether you agree or not. But in general, it's going to be amicable and a nice and an agreeable discussion. Moving on to finances, health. This month, the Librans could experience a little bit of a sharp lower back pain. So the Librans have to be very, very careful for this month for the lower back pain. Also, a little bit of problem to women who are already experiencing menstrual pain is indicated. So if in case that you are already on to a treatment and you see that this month the menstrual pains are getting a little bit sharper or a little bit more painful, don't just diss it off as okay, it's probably just this month. Immediately go and visit a gynac. Similarly, in case of a lower back pain, if in case you sense that there is a lower back pain which is kind of turning acute or sharp, do not procrastinate and immediately go to a doctor, because this could probably be the beginning of something. So if you just dismiss it off thinking that okay, it's just one-off incident and probably I'll go to the doctor the next time a recurrence happens, do not do that. The minute you sense any of symptoms or any other health discomfort symptoms, immediately be proactive and visit your doctor.